Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Jeep Cherokee. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, which helps the old oil drain more easily. Then, safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. Now, let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old oil flow out completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a thorough drain. Next, remove the old oil filter. It's often near the front of the engine. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's snug but not over-tightened. Finally, pour the specified amount of new engine oil into the filler cap, typically around 5 quarts for a Jeep Cherokee. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the new oil to circulate. Turn off the engine. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Top off if needed. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, check the description for a link to some great car air fresheners and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.